Why does your scanner show the P0753 engine code? What does it mean? P0753 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid A Electrical. It indicates that the PCM has detected an electrical abnormality in transmission shift solenoid A. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty shift solenoid A. Wiring issues. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Faulty PCM or TCM. Blown fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Nissan, Hyundai, Mazda, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.